Statement 31. Sometimes it didn't work because it's not supposed to. When you're goal-oriented, accomplishing the goal of your focus is everything you desire. It's a huge boost of confidence to your spirit and propels you to continue to go for what you want. However, there are times when those finish lines elude us. They slip right past us and are gone forever. This can be extremely confusing and disappointing after you've put intense amount of thought and effort and energy into something. You expect a certain result. And when you don't get it, you spiral into a cycle of self-doubt. In these times, it's important to take a look at the big picture of life. The gigantic fabric of the universe, and how every action has a reaction, no matter how small that action is. Your success in one task could mean tragedy somewhere down the road. Your failure can open the door for amazing opportunities. Don't always assume that the universe is telling you no because you didn't get what you're looking for. Yes, it can be devastating, but everything happens for a reason. It's your job to take a step back. Remove yourself from the pain and see what the world is actually trying to offer you. Often, it's something more amazing than you could have ever imagined by yourself.